How to make Porreacocos, Astragalus soap. Prepare an appropriate amount of Porreacocos. Grind into powder for later use. Prepare again 53 grams Porreacocos, 31 grams Astragalus membranaceous. Clean thoroughly. Put it in a clay pot. Add mountain spring water and boil over high heat. Cook on low heat for another 30 minutes. Obtain Porreacocos and Astragalus membranaceous. Medicinal juice freeze in a refrigerator for later use. Pour in palm oil. Pour in coconut oil. Pour in olive oil. Pour in sweet almond oil. Heat the water separately until 45 to 50 degrees. Prepare a container. Add frozen Porreacocos and Astragalus membranaceous medicinal juice. Add small amounts of sodium hydroxide multiple times. Freezing is to prevent the temperature is too high. When adding sodium hydroxide, after stirring evenly, put the alkaline water at 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Uniformly distribute alkaline water. Add to the prepared vegetable oil. Add sandalwood essential oil. Add Porreacocos powder, prepared before joining. Pour into the mold. Cover the lid. Let it stand for 48 hours. 48 hours later, demolding, cutting, and correction. The last Porreacocos, Astragalus soap is ready. You can use it. After 30 days of standing still,